Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to use Canva Magic Expand. So this is one of Canva's AI tools that allows you to transform your photos beyond its original borders without losing part of the photo or the quality of the photo. So for example, I can take this vertical image and use Canva Magic Expand to get it to fit this horizontal canvas while keeping the same photo and not losing any of it. So I'll show you what I mean. So open up your canvas and get your photo that you want to use Magic Expand on. Then you're going to click onto the photo. Then I'm going to click on Edit. From there, we're going to go into the Tools section, click on See All, and then we're going to search for Magic Expand. So here it is. So I'm going to click on Magic Expand, and then it's going to ask me what size I want. Do I want freeform, the whole page, or one-to-one? So I'm going to click on whole page and click on Expand. It usually takes a few seconds. And there we have it. You can see the image has been expanded to fit the whole page, but I can still see the original photo without it being distorted or half off of the canvas. And you have like different options as well. So it gives you different backgrounds. So I can click on that one. You can see it's slightly different. That one, it's giving you sort of like different plants in there, or this one. I quite like that one the best. So I'm going to click on Done. And there we have it, my new photo magically expanded, and it still looks fantastic. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.